Audio Jungle.
Well, and are you doing anything? Is there anything tactically that you've done to kind of make sure that people go off and then do leave that review?
Yeah, I talk to every customer and I tell them my story. I tell them who I am. I tell them what I've done, and they want to get behind that, and they're more than willing to leave a 5-star review. Now, language is sometimes a barrier. Technology is sometimes a barrier. I wrote one for an elderly couple that just had to have one written. And I put it under my account. Other people have me show them where to click. I have a QR code and they click it with their Google account. So that, a high engagement with customers. I'm on it all the time, talking to people, learning from them, listening to them. And if I'm not here, I'm monitoring through the cameras. We've got great surveillance system, as well as I can talk both ways. I can listen and I can talk to them. So just learning from the customers and being involved has kind of increased the amount of reviews.
So you're basically panhandling.
Yes, yes. Because I'm a new business. I tell them my story and they say, yeah, sure. They agree to do it. They don't have to do it.
You say, please help me. Please help me stay in business. Yeah.
I say it all the time. And I say, we got to get those tourist dollars. And they nod, like the locals know about the tourist dollars. So we try and get all the tourists to come here. But I think there's a part of it too, that they've never seen anything close to what we've done at Operation Laundry. The size, the scale, the cleanliness. If you read the remarks, the Kids Zone, they've hands down say they've never experienced something that, plus the ozone. Having the ozone, we've gotten a lot of stains out at the high G spin rate on our washers. So there's a lot of moving parts: vending machines, TVs, entertainment, clean bathrooms. The bathrooms are brought up a lot because we have a locking system through Laundry Works to not allow anyone but customers in. So they have a lot to say, and I'm grateful. I do panhandle, though. I'm grateful for it.
Yeah, I mean, over time, right? You won't have to do that as much, but I bet, based on what I've learned about you, is that personality is not going to go away, and that desire to kind of connect with people and continue to kind of build on those relationships, that's going to be there for you forever.
It is. That's who I am. That's the part I enjoy the most about this laundromat. It's kind of spending my money to have that opportunity to be able to interact with my customers, interact with the community. I get enjoyment out of it. I'm sure not all of them. Look, you got introverts that come in here, so not everybody wants to talk to me. You can read it pretty fast. Who doesn't want to talk to Tim? But the ones that do, they're great, and I help them out. A lot of questions around technology, right? Most people are used to quarters, and we're running, cards and the app to pay for everything and get access to everything. So a lot of questions around that. So I do a lot of explaining, which I don't mind.
Well, there are cheaper ways to find outlets for your extroversion, Tim. That you didn't have to open a laundromat to do that.
Matt, I hadn't thought of that. It's a smart idea. I should have thought of that before I got started. The